Errors and biases can occur in all types of science research, so listen to as many medical experts and natural medicine clinicians as possible to get a more balanced and comprehensive understanding. If you feel that any information in my presentation is inaccurate, please let me know in the comments section. My references are in the description box below, usually research articles from PubMed. Also, note that research is constantly changing, and one small clinical trial does not cover diverse populations. Individual responses to supplements and treatments vary based on genetics and other physiological factors. Sea cucumbers are marine invertebrates that are named for their unusual oblong shape, which resembles a fat cucumber. They are commonly consumed in China, Japan, Korea, and Indonesia, and can be eaten raw, pickled, or fried. They have been used for centuries in both food and traditional medicine in Asian and Middle Eastern cultures. Sea cucumbers are notably expensive because harvesting them is labor-intensive and dangerous, as they live on the ocean floor and are often collected by divers at great depths. Japan is renowned for producing some of the highest quality sea cucumbers. Nutritionally, sea cucumbers are rich in vitamins A, B1, B2, and B3, as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, and zinc. The body wall is the major edible portion of sea cucumber and contains abundant collagen, accounting for about 70% of total proteins. The protein is particularly rich in glycine, glutamic acid, and arginine, which have been linked to reducing serum triglyceride levels. Used for centuries in China as a valuable source of nourishment for joint health, sea cucumber is rich in chondroitin sulfate and other important nutrients for joint tissue maintenance. According to a review published in 2011, studies on cells and animals have shown that sea cucumbers have anti-cancer, anticoagulant, antihypertensive, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, antithrombotic, anti-tumor, and wound healing properties. This is promising, but human studies are clearly needed. Also, a 2014 study suggests that sea cucumbers and blue mussels could serve as new dietary sources of phospholipid-bound omega-3 fatty acids, offering potential benefits for managing insulin resistance and obesity-related disorders. Moreover, an animal study published in the Journal of Functional Foods in July 2023 suggests that sea cucumber could be a valuable natural resource for developing treatments for diabetic nephropathy because hydrolysates, processed proteins, from sea cucumbers can help reduce oxidative stress and improve kidney health in diabetic conditions. Diabetic nephropathy is a condition where high blood sugar levels from diabetes damage the kidneys over time, leading to serious health issues. Sea cucumber extract also has great potential as a source of natural testosterone, according to a scientific review published just this year. I used to take the Swanson sea cucumber supplement, and it seemed to help with my neck arthritis, but I had to stop because it caused a weird feeling of arousal. Interestingly, in a clinical trial published in the Journal of Oral Science in September 2003, researchers tested the effectiveness of Gamadent toothpaste, which contains sea cucumber extract, on the healing of gingival tissues in patients with chronic gingivitis. 28 adult participants were split into two groups. One group used Gamadent, while the other used a placebo toothpaste, which had the same ingredients but without the sea cucumber extract. After 1 month, the Gamadent group had less plaque and swelling, and after 2 and 3 months, they had even more improvements, including less bleeding and smaller gaps between the gums and teeth. The researchers concluded that Gamadent helped heal the gums better than regular toothpaste. Unfortunately, Gamadent toothpaste is not widely available. Some say that only a few pharmacies in Malaysia sell this specialized product. Sea cucumbers are recognized as a superfood, and sea cucumber supplements are increasingly popular among those seeking natural health solutions due to their potential health benefits, including anti-cancer properties, anti-inflammatory effects, and support for joint health. If your doctor or healthcare provider has confirmed that it's safe for you to take a sea cucumber supplement, Swanson is a budget-friendly brand. When it comes to supplements, it's important to be extra careful, especially now with the rise of reports about fake products floating around on platforms like Amazon. That's why I buy my supplements, teas, and essential oils from iherb.com. To save money on your purchase, use the promo code APT0317 at checkout. This discount code never expires, so keep it handy and apply it every time you shop on iherb.com to enjoy ongoing savings. Do not eat or take sea cucumber if you are allergic to seafood or if you are taking blood-thinning medications, as sea cucumbers may enhance their anticoagulant effects and increase the risk of bleeding.
By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jara Soriano from the Philippines. Welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge and discoveries gained from reading scientific journals and books written by doctors and natural medicine clinicians. I have a strong interest in subjects related to health and wellness, especially natural remedies, personal development, dogs, and cats. Some of my favorite books are Dissolving Illusions, Disease, Vaccines, and the Forgotten History by Dr. Susan Humphreys and Roman Bystrianic. Vitamin C, The Real Story, The Remarkable and Controversial Story of Vitamin C by Dr. Steve Hickey and Dr. Andrew Sell, and Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you're also a pet lover, somewhat health conscious, and have an insatiable thirst for new knowledge, I invite you to consider subscribing. Also, after watching this presentation, you may want to check out 12 health benefits of alpha-lipoic acid backed by human studies and 18 health benefits of NAC and acetylcysteine backed by human studies. The links are in the description box below.
Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your time. If you've learned something, kindly give this presentation a thumbs up. Feel free to send me a message. The link to my contact form is in the description box below.